Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandro. Ito po ang aking daily devotion para sa ngayong January 25. And for today, we are going to talk about a question that I find rather intriguing. Ito ang tanong ng maganda o nagmamaganda. What is the true beauty? No? Makikita po natin ito sa Hebrews chapter 1 verse 3 na nagsasabing the sun is the radiance of God's glory and the exact representation of His being, sustaining all things by His powerful word. After He had provided purification for sins, He sat down at the right hand of the Majesty in heaven. Sa Tagalog, nakikita sa anak ang kaluwalhatian ng Diyos. Kung ano ang Diyos ay gayon din ang anak. Siya ang nag-iingat sa sansinukob sa pamamagitan ng kanyang makapangyarihang salita. Pagkatapos niyang linisin tayo sa ating mga kasalanan, siya'y umupo sa kanan na makapangyarihan doon sa langit. Makikita po natin and may establish natin that God is the highest degree of beauty. Ang ating Panginoon ang siyang pinaka maganda. And considering na sa binasa nating verse, Jesus is the exact representation of God. Therefore, Jesus also holds the highest degree of beauty. So how do we achieve this beauty, no? As Christians, Christ-likeness makes us beautiful. Dahil nga si Jesus ang exact representation of God, therefore He is the highest degree of beauty. Paano tayo magiging beautiful? We have to act in accordance to Christ. Be perfect just as God is perfect. Or rather, it's very hard for us to be perfect, no, as humans. But we should be as close as possible to Jesus. It's something that He has set up for us. Siya'y nagkatawang tao upang ipakita sa atin ang ating nararapat na gawin. So be Christ-like in character. Kasi we are far from being perfect. But we should do everything we can, every step that we can take so that we will be close to being Christ-like. And be beautiful in the eyes of God. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.